happening, Kong?
I don't know, but something's coming.
What is that thing?
I don't know, but it's not good.
I have to protect the village!
Bao, we need to stop that train, quickly! The train's closed, Bao. We have to move now.
Let's go! Something doesn't feel right, Kong.
Keep your eyes sharp. The train's getting closer.
Hold on, we're almost across.
Just don't fall, buddy. I've got your back.
What do you think it wants us to do?
It's showing us the way. I think we're meant to follow.
This is what we're up against, and what we need to fix.
We can do it together.
We need to stabilize the train! Keep those chains off us! I am on it! Just keep it together!
It's not working!
It's not about strength. It's about understanding.
I need more strength!
Focus, Bao. Use your connection to the bamboo. That was close.
Thanks, Kong! Always got your back.
Stay behind me. I won't let anything happen to you. I've got your back, Bao. Let's keep this together. Keep it up, Kong. We're almost there. No one's getting through this storm.
The chains. They are responding to the spirit.
That could be our way in.
It's working, but we need to move fast.
The chains are still unpredictable. I'll slow them down. Spirits, follow the light. Your path is clear. We've got this. Stay close!
I can't hold it much longer. Just a little longer, Bao. We can make it.
It wasn't your fault. You just wanted to protect them.
He's lost, but we can help him find peace.
This ends now.
We've got your back, Bao.
You're not alone.
I was meant to protect them. The core, it's holding everything in place. We break the curse together. You just wanted to protect them.
It was never your fault.
We did it!
Yeah, we did.
You are not alone. Let go of the pain. We did it, Bao! They're free now! Together, we saved them.
We did it! The world is healing!
And there's still so much adventure ahead, buddy.
The world is at peace now. We did it, Kong.
Of course we did. There's no challenge we can't face together.
Look, Kong, the village is growing back so beautifully.
It's all thanks to us, Bao. We've restored balance together.
Thank you, Bao! Thank you, Kong! You've saved us all!
It's the least we could do.
We did it together.
It's nice to just rest, isn't it?
I could get used to this. Maybe we'll nap after. A nap sounds perfect.
We did it! Everything's peaceful now.
No more runaway trains, I hope. Yeah, I think we've earned some rest. The world is at peace, but who knows what lies ahead? Whatever it is, we'll face it together.
Together.